Hey guys, I hope you're having a really good day and making some really good trades. And so far, it looks like we've started to slow down in the market correction. We had a daily green dot and it closed, so we looks like we've hit a certain bottom with on the daily chart. And let's just take a quick look at Ethereum as well. It's bleeding just like Bitcoin right now as well, but it looks like it hasn't reached a bottom yet on the daily time frame, and we'll be looking into maybe making a trade on there. But yeah, today we can see that on the shorter time frames, like on the 4 hour, we had a red diamond, and I like on multiple time frames on the 4 hour, on the 2 hour, 1 hour, or even the 30 minute. It was all there. So this was a really big dump right here. Dumped down quickly, and we got some manipulation next on the 30 minute. Pushed it down and starting to come back up right now. And when we zoom out on the 4 hour, it looks like we're forming a nice little W right now. So, and the price seems to be holding the $36,000 level. I mean, we have these massive wick downs, obviously, but those are just wicks, right? To liquidate people, the over leveraged people, right? The fixed 50x longs. But yeah, if you entered this short, congratulations, you made some really good trades. I'm personally staying out of the market right now. We've sustained some losses so far. It's difficult to trade when the price is just chopping around like this. You want to see a pattern start to form. And right now we're starting to form a pretty big pattern on the 4 hour. So if we can maybe start to develop a W right now like this, I think we break the neckline, I think that would be a good potential to break to the upside. But if we fail, right, we are in a downtrend right now, and the trend is your friend. So if we do, it is possible that we fail this and we keep going down right after that. But we'll look into it once these candles start to form. Just to look at the downtrend right now. Sorry, let me take a look on the 1 hour. So we had like a potential breakout here when it was fighting the resistance, and then we just eventually it went above the line, but huge sell orders just came in and then pushed the price down. And a good way to find out where there's going to be a lot of resistance and a lot of support on it, like on a daily basis, is to take a look at in our Discord we have a daily min and max price channel where Draken keeps posting on a daily basis and updates the price also when there's updates for the new support and resistance, like where these big orders are going to be at, right? So you can see like yesterday there were some really big sell orders at 42,300, and once we reached that level, it just started to come down again, and then just came down again. The other orders were filled at this level, and then it just pushed the price all the way down. So that was pretty good. Let's chart this. Nope, not this one. This one lags now. I gotta fix that later. We could see that the BTC dominance is also getting a nice bounce, so we're going to see where this closes on the weekly time frame. If we keep going up, that would be really good. It would be like some sort of recovery rally if you watch some other YouTubers. And finally, like the hash ribbons are starting to open up again, so I'm going to be keeping a close eye on it and signaling everyone when I'm going to buy. I'm going to load up on a really big order for crypto if this signal comes in. If we keep dumping down, then the confirmation dot might not come till later. And some people are saying this is the end of the bull run and stuff like that. I don't know if they're made for crypto. This obviously this could have been a local top, right? Doesn't mean going to like 100,000 or whatever. It's not a straight shot to the moon. It's not. You don't go straight there, right? We're going to encounter some resistance and corrections. And this one, mind you, is a very big one from the top down. This is a massive 54% dump. Like this is usually that doesn't correct that much, and if we could get a relief rally and break above the previous high, then that would be really good, But until then, we're just gonna stay calm and just look at the charts and analyze it. Right now, I'm just watching the market. There's no need to rush into trades. You just want to stay out if you don't know what's going on. And yeah, I shorted here, made some gains, but for the challenge account, I don't want to take any more losses, right? We want to get to 1,000, right? We're already up like 300%, so let's keep it that way. And something else I wanted to talk about, if you think that the bull run is over, I'd love to argue with you, but I really don't think it's over. Like, we can see back in like 2013 right here, we had this, right there. We gotta zoom back a little. We had this big old dump. Which chart is it on? Let me find it for you. I think it's EMA ribbon chart. I think it might be this one. It is this one. Sorry, I gotta just go on the weekly time frame. That's why. So we can see that right now this is the 21 EMA, and we are below it on the weekly time frame. And when we do go below it, it kind of signifies like the end of the bull run. But right now, I really don't think this is the end. There you go. That's nicer. And we could see like back in like 2013, we did go below it, right? We did go below it that one time, and then we recovered and fought around it for a couple months, and then we ended up going on. Right? And this was a massive run to the upside, kind of like what we had. But I like the week isn't over. There's still a day and 23 hours for this weekly candle to close, and if it closes underneath, yeah, maybe there's some cost to be concerned, but not that much. Like, if you bought down here, you shouldn't really be worried. If you think that we're going to zero and stuff like that, this would be a historical time for Bitcoin to be zero, and someone will probably buy all of it at these prices. You're insane. There's billionaires that bought it at $10,000, $8,000. You don't think they're gonna buy it all? Anyways, these are just my thoughts on what the current market is doing. I know people have been getting liquidated and sustaining some losses in the Discord. I just want everyone to know, like, you don't have to trade every day. It can be good to just watch the market and watch patterns develop. Something that Ben was telling me in the chat, obviously, is very good to just look at patterns and not trade every day. Just wait for something to develop, because if you take some trades and you rush back in emotionally, you're going to get wrecked, you're going to get liquidated, you're going to get stopped out. You don't want to do that. What you want to do is just find your areas of support. Okay, we've established that this is support. Let's see if it can hold it. And if it can hold it and it starts to go back up, okay, then now we need to break this level, right around 41,000 to 42,000. That's another area of resistance. So if we can break that, that's really good. Then we got to take out the next area of resistance, and then we want to go to here, right? And then there's this line right here that we have to break. This is the downtrend. We are in the downtrend right now. If we look at the EMA ribbons, they are fighting against us now. They're no longer supporting us. They're fighting us. So we got to break these, right? We went in here for a bit, too much. We're going back down. But let's take a look at the daily as well. The daily is getting it's expanding pretty big, So I think, yeah, see on the 8 hour, you can kind of see a W starting to form. These really big wicks. This wick was not as much, so that's pretty good. We're still at the 1.618 level for the Fibonacci retracement. If we start to break down, then the next level would be 22,000. And honestly, I don't think we're going to get there. But if we do, I'm going to buy some more. I'll buy some more there. Load up on some more there. And I just want to talk about something quickly. I'm going to just hint of what I'm going to talk about in the next video. It's just why is Bitcoin going up? What is the catalyst? What is the reason? People don't really know the reason why it's going up. There's some of my friends are buying it, or some people at the bank were just telling me they're buying it, but they're just buying it for the sake that it's gonna go up, but they have no reason why they think it's gonna go up. It's just the devaluation of the dollar, and that's gonna be the huge catalyst. And inflation is gonna cause everything, commodities and scarce assets, and Bitcoin being one of the most scarce assets in the whole world. It's going to, in my opinion, it's going to go up very a significant amount. I don't want to say to the moon, but yeah, we're going to go up a significant amount. in my personal opinion. This may not be your opinion, so this is up to you. In my opinion, gold is going to go up as well. You know, I don't pick and choose. I think gold is going to perform very well this year, and looks like so far we're performing very, very well as well. And gold is not dead. It's not. You don't have to choose teams. You can have both. I own both. I own gold, I own silver, and I own Bitcoin. I love crypto and I love my commodities. I love the fact that the government thinks that they can just print an infinite amount of money without being punished. So anyways, this is gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for subscribing, guys. We're at 200 subscribers now. Super happy about that. Thank you for your support. You guys are the reasons why this channel is so great. And everyone, if that's not in the Discord, if you're listening to this and you're not in the Discord, make sure to join the Discord, because when we make some trades, let's say we make some trades, but we don't it's not a huge win. At least it's a win. But let's say it's not a win and we get stopped out. That's how you exercise proper risk management and exercise good habits, because that's what you want to have as a trader, is really good habits. Because if you have bad habits of just letting your trade go to liquidations, then that's just really bad, right? That you don't follow any rules and you're just gonna keep losing. And this is not meant to hurt your feelings or make you angry, but you got to exercise good risk management, right? If when I say I get stopped out, it means like, okay, I follow my own rules and I exercise good risk management. Anyways, thanks for subscribing, guys. You have a wonderful day. Love you. Peace.